Hi, is your company tracking your suppliers' ESG metrics? You may want to do so to comply with new ESG Scope 3 regulations, like CSRD in the European Union or SB 253 in California. The problem, however, is that the only practical way to collect data from suppliers is to ask them to complete an ESG survey on a portal or Excel file. And, as most sustainability practitioners will tell you, ESG surveys are hell on earth. ESG surveys include approximately 100 questions and require dozens of file uploads. As the number of suppliers increases, clients quickly face time-consuming and frustrating data quality issues. Suppliers must manually enter the same information over and over again, which often leads to errors. Surveys are fine for collecting answers to simple questions, but you really can't use them to collect complex ESG records like product carbon footprints or tier-N supplier lists. Another major drawback is that survey data authenticity can't be verified by your auditors to certify your Scope 3 reporting. What's more, the lack of an ESG data standard makes it impossible to normalize data exchanges. But now you have a better way to collect supplier data. Meet Passport, the distributed, zero-trust app from Sky Republic that manages all your digital supplier passports. Here's how it works. An open, shared dictionary allows Passport users to reuse or create definitions for exchanged data elements. Any survey information or document can be structured with a name, description, and format. Passport also lets users exchange data related to products sold or purchased by suppliers, which surveys just can't capture. With Passport, clients use questionnaires to easily collect structured supplier data. A questionnaire is simply a list of data elements a client requests from a supplier for a particular time period. After a supplier adds the corresponding values to its digital passport, the values are matched with each questionnaire received. Clients get clean data from their suppliers, and suppliers only have to input data element values once. All digital supplier passports are stored confidentially in the Sky Republic network, and access is permissioned by suppliers. Each passport is managed by a dedicated service that ledgers every update and transfers them to permissioned clients. Supplier updates are digitally signed and securely stored within the client's app, so auditors can verify supplier data authenticity at any time. The Passport app also provides import-export capabilities, plus APIs that let users integrate their ESG or supplier management software with any software their partners are using. All data exchanges are automated, and clients can monitor supplier records year-round. The revolutionary Passport app automates the exchange of any kind of supplier data across supply chain networks. Secure your ESG reporting certification by using auditable supplier data. Free up sustainability practitioners for higher value activities. Discover and screen your tier-N suppliers, with previous tiers' consent. Save hundreds of thousands of dollars each year after the initial setup. A proof of concept just takes a few days, and the Passport Enterprise version only costs $199 monthly plus usage fees. With our Galaxy bundle, you can equip up to 200,000 suppliers for an average cost per supplier as low as 10 cents a month. And, in 2024, your subscription is free until you go live. You can also leverage our first report service pack to secure your deadlines. Our experts will train and support your team for their first ESG report with Passport. And because your success is our success, we can help manage your supplier onboarding and integrate your ESG software. It's time to end the nightmare of ESG surveys and make life easier with Passport. To learn more, contact us or book a demo on skyrepublic.com.